like trains and other asdfmovie t-shirts now available at sharkrobot.com. Also buy their song on iTunes and Amazon, link in the description. And also subscribe to the amazing guy who animated this video.